Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. Welcome to my top trade secrets. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix wall mirrors to the wall without using any brackets, just Max Bond. Now, once you've purchased your mirrors, peel off the back protection polythene, find your position and mark the relevant height. Start to apply your Max Bond on the rear of the mirror. Start from the top and then working your way all the way around the edge, keeping it about probably 15-20 millimeters away. Once you've gone all the way around that edge, you can then put a couple of lines through the center. Offer it up to the position where I put my marks on the wall, which is about here for the first one. Pressing it gently against the wall, applying an equal amount of pressure, a little bit of a pressing up and down. And already I can feel that grab to there. Now, of course, this is going to really start to cure after about 20 minutes and grab, so you could hold on to it for a while, but if you've got a number of mirrors to put alongside one another, a great little tip is to just get yourself some tape and actually just tape the top bit to the plaster work, and that'll just take the weight to stop it dragging down. There is very, very little slip with Max Bond, and we'll put a little bit more on the bottom. A little bit on one side there in the middle. And these could be fixed to any type of wall. We've got a plastered wall here with a painted finish. It could be a brickwork one, it could be a wooden one, it could be a cladded one, it could be a melamine surface. It really doesn't matter. The Max Bond is going to grab to that surface, as long as you put a little bit of tape on for temporary, just while it sets, and then that can be removed off and it'll be solid. When I'm applying mirrors to a wall like this, I would always prefer to use an adhesive as opposed to brackets. But I always think safety wise, and I've got a couple of young children now. Children do tend to just bang them or push them or lean against them, etc. And if you've got a good solid bed of adhesive right the way around it, spread evenly, there is a less chance of this actually cracking or breaking, which could avoid a very nasty accident. Now they are solid. So that's how quick, easy and safe it is to install your mirrors to the wall using Max Bond. If you're looking for more inspiration or how-to videos, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and check us out on all social media handles. But if you want to know more about the products, just check out the website below.